In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Sam's Club card to Instacart. If you want to shop Sam's Club through Instacart and make sure your membership is connected correctly, this process is usually quick and straightforward. Linking your membership can help ensure that eligible member pricing and benefits are applied when available, so it's a good idea to set this up before you begin placing an order. To get started, open the Instacart app on your phone or go to the official Instacart website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your Instacart account. Make sure you're using the account you normally shop with, since your membership link will be connected to that account. After signing in, go to your account settings. Depending on the version of the app or website you're using, the exact menu name may look a little different. You may see options such as account, loyalty cards, memberships, or savings. The goal here is to find the section where Instacart lets you connect store memberships or loyalty programs. Once you're in that area, look through the list of participating stores and select Sam's Club. When you find it, choose the option that says Add Card or Link Membership. This is the point where Instacart will ask for your membership details. Now enter your Sam's Club membership information. In some cases, you may be able to type in your membership number directly. In other cases, you may be prompted to sign in with your Sam's Club account instead. Take a moment to enter everything carefully so the membership links without any issues. After that, review the information you entered and confirm the link. Tap Confirm or Link Membership, depending on what appears on your screen. Once accepted, your Sam's Club membership should now be connected to your Instacart account. With that done, you can start shopping. Browse Sam's Club products directly through Instacart and add the items you want to your cart just like you normally would. This makes it easier to shop in one place while still using your membership connection. Before you place your order, take one last look to verify that your membership is actually applied. This is important because eligible member pricing or benefits should be reflected at checkout when available. Also keep in mind that not every in-club discount or promotion will always carry over to Instacart. So prices may vary depending on the item and the platform, and that's how to add your Sam's Club card to Instacart.